Right now, 45 miles above the surface of Venus, it's raining. Sheets of sulfuric acid are falling from a thick yellow cloud deck that wraps the entire planet, but not one single drop ever reaches the ground. Around 15 miles up, the falling acid hits air so hot it simply evaporates, turning back into gas and vanishing into the sky. Scientists have a name for rain that disappears before it lands: virga. You can actually see the same thing over Death Valley or the Mojave Desert, where streaks of rain hang beneath a thunderstorm and dry up before touching the sand. Venus does the exact same trick, planet-wide, forever, except the rain is corrosive enough to dissolve metal. NASA's Pioneer Venus probe first photographed these acid virga streaks in 1978, hanging like ghostly curtains under the clouds, and later missions like Venus Express confirmed it happens across the entire planet at once. Venus's surface sits at 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, thanks to a runaway greenhouse effect from a carbon dioxide atmosphere 90 times thicker than Earth's. That heat is exactly why the rain never survives the trip down. It boils away in midair, long before it gets anywhere close to the baked, cracked rock below. We post a new one of these every single day, so if planets that break their own weather sound like your kind of thing, subscribing means you never miss the next one. The acid itself comes from something surprisingly familiar. Venus has active volcanoes, and the sulfur dioxide gas they belch out drifts upward until it meets water vapor high in the atmosphere. The two combine into concentrated sulfuric acid, thousands of times more corrosive than anything in a car battery, and gravity pulls it down in a slow, endless drizzle that Venus's own heat cancels out every single day. Here's the part that stops scientists cold. This cycle has almost certainly been running for hundreds of millions of years, maybe longer, an entire planet locked in a rain cycle that accomplishes nothing. No puddles, no rivers, no rust from water ever forming on the surface. Just an eternal loop of falling and vanishing, over and over, above a world too hostile for the rain to ever finish its journey. If this is the kind of detail that makes the solar system feel stranger than fiction, hit that like button so more people see it. So the next time a storm rolls over a desert, and you watch the rain streaks evaporate before they hit the road, remember Venus is doing the same thing right now, at planetary scale, with acid instead of water, and it has never once stopped. Comment below if you'd want to see it happen from a very safe distance.